Once a symbol of speed, now just a whisper. The fire took its toll. Time leaves its mark, but the spirit of Rosso Corsa can never be truly extinguished. The Rosso Corsa dream, now just frayed threads and dust. Time spares nothing, not even legends. Even legends must eventually succumb to the silence of time.
It's still here, waiting to be reborn. A memory brought back to life.
Beneath the legend lies the truth of the flames. The steel surrenders to time. Let the waters purify the past. A new chapter begins for this icon.
After the fire, the oxidation set in. But now, the restoration begins with this gentle foam bath.
Watch the foam gently glide across the surface, pulling the dirt away in slow, satisfying rivulets.
Years of fire and neglect washed away. This is where the rebirth begins. A legendary F40. Let's gently clean these iconic wheels, one spoke at a time. We meticulously restored every curve. This final rinse washes away.
The fire tried to claim it, but the legend endures. The final rinse complete, the true.
With the wheel removal, the restoration truly begins. A careful dissection before the rebirth of this icon.
We're deep cleaning this aged Ferrari F40 tire. The foam is lifting years of dirt and grime. Look at that texture reveal itself.
After years of neglect, we are finally restoring the brilliance of this legendary wheel.
We open the door. We open the door, not just to the interior, but to the next chapter of this legend's life.
Every component tells a story. We meticulously remove each screw, ensuring the delicate, fire-damaged. Lifting the panel reveals the raw engineering. Every element stripped for performance.
This FC number 73 arrived in a sorry state.
Every bolt tells a story. We carefully remove the seat, beginning the long process of bringing this Rosso Corsa back to life.
A transformation begins. We gently remove the years, preparing for the future while honoring the past.
And now, the meticulous process of purification begins. Gently lifting away the past, revealing the beauty beneath.
We're using a soft cloth to carefully restore this classic dash.
The F40's heart, slowly revealing its secrets. Precision is everything in this restoration. Beneath the console lies the heart of the machine. Decades of dust. And meticulous care is essential here. We are cleaning the central nervous system of this incredible machine, wire by wire. Decades of neglect crystallized into rust. With each gentle tap, we peel back the layers of time, revealing the structure beneath.
Slowly, the corrosion yields, revealing the history beneath the fire damage. This F40 will rise again.
Millimeter by millimeter, the corrosion is removed, revealing the raw beauty of the steel beneath the damage. The final clearing is complete. Now, the real work begins. The foundation is ready. The chemical reaction stabilizes the metal, transforming the rust into a protective layer. The legend begins again. Beneath the scars of the past lies the heart of a legend. We meticulously peel back the years, revealing the true foundation. Unlocking the past, one bolt at a time. The journey to rebirth starts here, with careful hands and focused intent.
Careful alignment is everything with these aged components. Just a little further, and the separation is complete.
This F40 component requires careful attention. We gently agitate the fluid to ensure the solvent reaches every
Pressing in the new suspension bushing. A small step in the meticulous rebirth of this iconic machine.
The undercarriage treatment is crucial. We apply a fine, even coat to seal the structure, ensuring it lasts another lifetime.
The heart of the machine, dormant now, waiting to be reborn from the ashes of the past.
Decades of neglect simply melting away. The fire tried to consume it, but the true beauty is starting to emerge once more. Gently working the degreaser deep into the casting lines, lifting away decades of carbon and oil.
With every drop, the past is released. What was once damaged is now renewed, ready for the road ahead.
And now, with care, we lift the intake manifold. Note the gasket outlines, evidence of its history. Slowly, it comes free. Precision is everything. Each piece must be returned to its exact location in the tray, ready for the rebuild.
From the ashes, the prancing horse will rise again. This is where the rebirth begins.
The heart of the F40, finally secured. Now the real work begins, cleaning away the fire dam. As the cover comes away, the intricate dance of the cams is revealed. Every detail tells a story of power and time.
Decades of fire and speed etched onto these surfaces, but the soul of the machine remains, waiting to roar again.
Gently removing the buildup, revealing the precision of the underlying metal. This engine will breathe again. Here we see the extent of the fire damage on the piston crowns. The matte finish suggests intense heat. Every piece, factory fresh. The heart of the F40, waiting to beat again. A new beginning for a timeless machine. The crosshatch pattern ensures optimal oil retention. This is where the precision truly begins. With meticulous care, the piston slides into the honed cylinder. This is where the legend is reborn, one precise movement at a time. Slowly, the awakening begins. Every component moving in perfect harmony, ready to roar again. Restoring an icon requires patience. Listen to the click. That is the sound of precision. And with this final delicate turn, the synchronization is complete. Absolute harmony between the cam and the crank. Meticulous care at every stage, ensuring this F40 lasts for generations. The restoration is complete. Every bolt secured, every hose in place. The legend is reborn. Watch closely as the true color emerges, a flawless reflection of dedicated care and precision.
From the ashes, perfection. A rebirth in Rosso Corsa. Every surface cleansed, renewed.
The heart of the machine beats anew. Precision in every connection, restoring the flow of power. Aligning the fluid lines with absolute precision. Securing the clamps, ensuring perfect mechanical harmony. The soul returns to the body. Perfect alignment, perfect harmony. The final mount secured. The heart of the beast is ready. It's time to awaken. After the fire, after the rebuild, this is the moment we've waited for. The legend returns. Precision achieved. The legend returns to life.
Time leaves its mark, but even in the dust, the spirit of the machine endures.
Precision is everything at this stage. We're looking for a flawless, contamination-free finish, ready for the Rosso Corsa.
The foundation of renewal begins now. A smooth, gray canvas for what's next.
The legend reborn. A blank canvas, awaiting its true colors. The wait is almost over.
We refine the surface with precision wet sanding, ensuring flawless preparation. Every stroke is measured.
And with the final coat, the legend is reborn. A restoration of beauty, a return to life. The final layer. Protection and brilliance, forever preserved. Patience defines the process. Now, the true depth of the Rosso Corsa emerges. Polishing perfection. The pursuit of perfection. Removing every imperfection to reveal the true depth of Rosso Corsa. We chase the perfect edge, the unbroken line of light. This is craftsmanship defined.
And now, the final touch. See how the Rosso Corsa paintwork achieves its perfect... After all these years, it remembers who it is.
With perfect clarity, the final piece settles into place. A new beginning for a timeless machine. Securing the trim requires absolute precision. Every millimeter must align perfectly, ensuring the seal is the final piece of a renewed presence. Signaling the return of an icon, perfectly restored.
Perfect alignment. A symbol of renewed vision and the journey yet to come.
With this emblem, the restoration is complete. The true identity returns. With purpose renewed and spirit restored, the journey continues.
Restoring an icon requires meticulous care. Here, precision is everything. The alignment must be
The final touch, the connection between man and machine restored. Perfect alignment, perfect purpose. With the steering wheel secured, the driver is once again in complete control. The final alignment, where precision meets passion. Order restored.
Crystal clear. We ensure perfection in every detail, leaving no trace behind.
Alive, stronger than ever.
And with that, the restoration is complete. Perfectly sealed, ready for the road. The sound of rebirth, absolutely flawless. After months of work, she breathes again, perfect precision.
The revival of every line, a flawless masterpiece reborn.
Every line, every curve, brought back to life. A testament to perfection. The legend reborn.
It is not merely restored, it is transformed. A timeless legacy, reborn.